So here's Mr. Darcy in the kitchen pantry where the dishes are. What are you doing? He often perches in a glass of milk. Who's making all that noise in there? Gross. You tell me. I just caught you. I'm closing you up. See you later. See you later. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hello. What are you doing? How come you're in the cupboard? You silly bird. You think you're having a glass of milk in there? What are you doing? Yeah? Tell me a story. Hello? Are you gonna have a glass of milk? It's Glass City. Uh-huh. Now you're stuck. Back it out. Uh-huh. Hello. Hello. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Funny. What's she doing over there?
Jumped onto Zach Power and been surfing on it for a while.
Oh. Hello.
Hey. She's chewing on her purse. Think she can do any damage to it?
No. What are you doing? Are you done? Uh-huh. Are you coming out now? You like the echo with the glasses? And then, ay. Say bye-bye.